Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to delete incognito history on Google Chrome. This is helpful if we want to better understand how incognito works and clear any remaining traces. Now, on our Google Chrome Incognito tab, to delete our browsing history, all we need to do is close the incognito window. This is the only way to clear the history of an incognito session. There is no saved history in incognito mode. When we click on the three-dot settings menu, there is no history option available. We cannot delete browsing history from here because incognito simply does not keep a history. The only way to clear incognito is to close the incognito window so the session is removed from memory. There is no history here. If we press Ctrl+H, no history will be shown. It will prompt us to close incognito so that we can delete everything from our incognito session. This helps us understand how Google Chrome's incognito mode handles browsing data and how to clear related items such as DNS, cache, downloads, or temporary records on our device. These simple steps help improve our privacy and browsing security. Once we close the incognito window, no incognito history remains. And that's it. Now we know how to delete incognito history on Google Chrome.